And when you get investment, you give people shares. So today, on the very, very left here, at the startup stage, we have 100% of the company. And if I'm working with one other person, they own half, I own half. Sometimes it's a little different. But if we want investment, I don't know if you can see my mouse, I hope you can. We can bring in some investment from an angel investor or somebody else who we'll look at later, say $400,000. And that means that they get some equity. We own less of the company than we did before. And we just kind of keep doing that with more and more investors until ultimately we own very little of the company. So the founders of Google at the moment own only a few percent each, but we have lots and lots of cash. And as we spend that cash, we make the company more valuable, and everybody participates and wins. So hopefully this makes sense. Equity is basically bits of the company, and I can sell those bits for money, and the company becomes worth more. And because I hold the same 1,000 bits that I started with, these become much more valuable over time. We can see the kind of thing we're looking at there with Google, which at the moment sells you one bit or a share for $1,091, and their market capital, which is the whole company, the value on the market, if you wanted to buy all of Google, that's 750 billion. So we know that they have 680 million shares, which is quite a lot. It's a lot more than that 1,000 they started with, because for each investor here, over the last 20 years since Google was founded, we have many, many, many more shares which we sold to those new investors. So 687 million units of Google have been purchased. That makes sense for where we start talking now actually about investors in the next bit. I don't know if we have time for Q&A. We'll do Q&A at the end, as I said, because we